Ever wanted to create beautiful watercolor paintings without the mess or paints and palettes? Meet your new favorite tool, watercolor pencils. They look and feel like regular colored pencils, but with one magic ingredient, water, they transform into vibrant paint right on the page. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to get started using two different techniques. Let's take a look at the tools we'll be using. We have our watercolored pencils that look very much like colored pencils, but we'll look for the marking on the box that says watercolor. These happen to be jewel colored. We'll look at our paper, which is watercolor paper. It is absorbent and has a texture to it so that the water doesn't run off the page. We'll also need the paint brushes and water. So we'll start now with prepared pieces. Let's start with a butterfly. We'll take one of our pencils, and the first technique is to put the color into the water and go directly onto the page. This is going to create a very vibrant mark, and we'll see there how we can fill it in, working around the pieces that we already have. And now we'll switch to the brush. So we're going to go ahead and get the brush a little bit wet, blot some on the page, and now we'll use it to just blend the vibrant color from the pencil into the wing so it softens the lines and retains the color. So we'll just fill this in and we'll continue doing that. Now then, let's look at our mountains. We've pre-drawn just a bit, but you'll see the second technique here. On the dry paper with a dry color, we're just going to leave some big space between our drawing. We want to leave the space so that when we use the brush, as you can see, it's going to blend the colors softly. So here we are, the paper absorbing the extra water and the colors blending with each other. Or the green, right, as it blends from the line into a solid piece. Watercolors are so soft and pretty. Now then, let's apply the technique that we had before. We'll wet the color this time. We'll outline our piece, and you can see that it's very vibrant there, much darker. We'll go ahead and fill in the other side. And the wetter the pencil, the darker the color. Taking the brush, we'll fill in the green again. We'll bring down the darker color. Watercolor is a special way to paint. I hope you'll give it a try.